Hello everyone, I am Jaideep Mundhra from Bikaner Polymers Private Limited. We are manufacturers of PET cans. We make various cans for beverage and dry products packing. In my hand we have this 500 ml can suitable for carbonated beverages. In this video we will be demonstrating our new PET can seaming machine with 4 roller head rotating top. It's a tabletop machine, fast machine. You can get an output of around 20 to 25 cans per minute depending upon your feeding speed. It comes with 1 year motor warranty. We'll start the demonstration. The machine comes with a panel which has a manual mode. There's an auto mode also which I'll demonstrate later. It comes with a pedal. It can be foot operated. Now we'll pack water and show you the sealing process. You can see the sealing. I'm pressing the can and there is no leakage. One more can we're doing. And there's no leakage. Now we'll test it with soda. We'll put soda inside, we'll put some water and we'll test the soda. We'll put pressure in the can. This pressure created. We'll test the soda with putting the can inside the water. There are no bubbles coming out of the can. We'll test it with the pressure monitor. Around 25 psi pressure has been created in this. Now we'll show the auto function of the machine. The machine we can put on auto mode. By pressing this button, we've set the timer at 5 seconds. So after every 5 seconds, the machine will start functioning. All you need to do is put the can on the machine. Can number 1. You can reduce the speed to 3 seconds also, depending upon the labor. You don't have to press any button, the machine will function automatically. For effortless sealing, for good results, for leak-proof packing, this machine is very much suitable. Thank you so much. For more inquiries, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.